Depending on your car's make and model, decide from which angle your clip plate will be best mounted. In this video, facing the front of the vehicle, we have chosen the left-hand side. Remove the existing screws from under your number plate and slide the clip plate arms behind as demonstrated. Remember, if required, the arms can easily be moulded by using your hands and/or pliers to obtain a better fit. Using the additional fasteners provided, loosely attach the bottom arm bracket to the registration plate. This will allow for any minor adjustments that may be required. Align the top bracket arms and replace the original screw, then tighten. Once positioned correctly, tighten all attachment points. Attach the appropriate plate to the bracket by clipping securely into place. Fold your clip plate up and down as required. For further assistance, contact us via email sales@cliplate.com.au.